to the aisles. Headed out. We have Kamden on the boat. In case anybody's curious, this is what it looks like. Yay. And you know what time it is? It's time for the theme of the boat. Oh yeah. Know the words? Sing them. Oh yeah.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Oh yeah. We'll see you out there fishing.
Grandma shark, do 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 do.
Here we are. Water temperature 63.7. Going 30 mile an hour. I'm fine. Kamden, he's fine. He's cold. I got my Arctic clothes on. I'm ready to fish. Stay tuned. We'll be back. We're going to turn it all the way around.
Oh.
I want your butt cheeks on this pole. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep. I don't know. Heavy rock is.
A heavy rock.
He's falling. I feel him.
So, yes?
Yes. Oh.
He's going to see the boat. He might take off.
Yep. I'm ready. I'm ready. Heading kind of towards the motor.
I'm moving it.
Yep. Oh.
All right. Pull up.
And then reel down.
Yes.
Oh shit. He's pulling. I can't. Ooh.
Whoa. I'm going to turn the boat around.
Yep. He's pulling pretty tight.
That's okay. You're not going to break it.
Reel down.
Pull up.
Oh.
This is what you wanted, right? There's the balloon. Always a little baby one.
Is it a black? No, no.
No, it's a little bull. That's not the big one I saw out there.
Spiral. Oh, there he goes. He broke it.
Broke the line.
Yep.
Hey, I don't care. That's a catch.
Yeah. He was close enough. We could have hooked him if we wanted to. Oh, no.
Tighten the drag.
Yep. Oh, I think it just snapped. Yep. It just snapped.
It did?
Yep. And I think he might have surfaced right over there.
Ah. All right, I'm on. So, what did you do?
What do you mean?
Well, how did it get off?
It snapped.
It snapped. Do you give him slack?
No, I didn't this time. I lifted it up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Should we go back to instant replay?
Yes, we should, because I might be wrong.
He's wrong. He's back. All right, I'm gonna spin the boat around. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. No slack.
Zero slack. He's still turning. He's turning far that way.
All right.
Oh, fuck. Gave up for a second.
You got the drag too tight. Loosen the drag just a little.
Okay.
All right. I want to work you around to the other side. Start moving forward.
Yep.
You walk forward.
This way?
Yeah. You want to swing the boat underneath the line. Stand up. Butt cheeks over here on the pole. What was that? What was that? You kiss your mama with that lips?
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, looky there.
Ooh.
Giving it a workout. Nice bend on the pole. Pull up, reel down. Don't try reeling while you're pulling up. Take your time. Keep pressure on the fish. Oh my gosh. He's got a
He's
tank.
still pulling tight.
Ooh, look at there.
There we go. There we go. Oh. Whew.
Now you're complaining? Is that what I
No.
heard? Is that what I'm hearing?
I'm having fun. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Oh. Woo.
This is what you wanted, right?
Yeah. Fuck.
Oh, no, 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 no. We're not doing that.
Oh. Whew. Whew. He's tough.
You wanted a good fight.
Oh. There we go. Starting to give up a little.
No, he's not. I'm just moving the boat closer to him.
Good. Either way, it's getting easier. I'll take it. Watch it be another baby.
Well, it might be, but I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I think this one's got a little bit of weight to it.
Oh, yep. Yeah, it does. That's for sure.
He hasn't seen the boat yet.
No, he hasn't. I'm scared when he does. Woo. Oh, there he goes.
When he goes to run, let him run and
Yep.
don't reel.
There we
Okay,
go.
we're
Coming
going
out my left hand. Oh, oh, oh. Slack, slack, slack. I'm starting to give up a little. Oh. Yeah, yeah, yes. Oh, yeah.
He's straight down.
Oh, my gosh. Yep. Oh. Perfect. Should I have to drag a little, probably?
No,
No?
you gotta remember we got that small hook. Ooh, he's a biggin.
Yeah.
Seen the tail.
Oh. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh my. What's oh my? This is what you call fishing.
Yeah, this is a real fish. That's for sure. Whew.
Sure it's not a truck?
Or a truck. It's a fish or a truck, one or the other. Oh, seen his tail. He's getting close.
Yeah, but there he goes. There he is. Oh, it's a baby.
Oh my gosh, again.
A 6-footer. Okay, maybe 6.5. Hey, it's tagged too.
It is?
Yep. But I'm not going to reach for the tag.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Oh, he wants to go down. He has lots of fight left in him.
Yeah, he does. Oh my gosh.
Come on, where's your fight?
Well, it's all left in my left hand. Oh, my right hand
Whiny,
fight's
whiny.
gone.
Wah, 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 wah.
Oh, nope. Woo.
Come on, pull straight up. Reel down. He's right there. Perfect hook set, right in the corner of his mouth. Couldn't ask for any better. He's just still got way too much spunk to be cutting the hook out. You gonna get this, right?
Yeah.
I thought you went to the gym. Let me guess, gym is more fun than this.
The gym's a different type of hard. This is a different type of workout.
Yeah, this is real. Oh yes. Puts a nice little bend on that pole. You can feel him every time he does something, right?
Yeah.
There he is.
Not much so.
Yeah, he's 6.5 feet.
He's as tall as me.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good fight.
Almost as ugly.
Not quite.
Well, if you can get him to stay here for a bit, I'll cut the hook, but there he went down. He's going to get more O2 if he goes down deep.
Oh, okay.
Keep him up.
Keep him up.
All right.
I didn't know if I had to pull him up extra close, probably.
Yep. Keep him close. All right.
Hold on, he's.
I'm not going swimming for the fish.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
All right, because he's got buddies here.
Yeah, a lot of them.
This is how many we hooked up to?
7 or 8.
Yeah, there. We've been busy. All right. And by the way, I'm not superstitious. Just because every time you grab that pole, that little pole, we get a bite. So let's cut him loose. Headed back. Little wavy. That's okay. We'll take our time. They caught 2 sharks, lost 6 or 7. We're going home with 1 piece of bait left. So it was a good day. What you think so?
It was amazing.
Ready to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not doing anything tomorrow. This is Al. Getting wet. Talk to you next time. Keep your lines tight. Dolphin.